This is a short video presenting my final project. The project title is Alien Invaders. Hello everyone. My name is Avan Guptrishi. I'm from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, India. I started taking CS50 during the beginning of this year, and I want to thank David and the rest of the CS50 team for making this course possible. So coming back to the project, I made a simple arcade game using Python and the pygame library. I had to develop it locally because Python is very resource intensive and the game just wouldn't run on code spaces. It ran, but it lagged a lot. So I just chose to develop it locally. It took me 3 weeks to develop it. I learned object-oriented programming during that time, and how to use sprite classes, how to put images in a rectangle, and then making collisions happen. So collision is a very important function, or a very important thing that happens behind the scenes that make a lot of game mechanics happen. So it's basically when two sprites are coming in contact with each other, that is known as a collision. When that happens, you can write programs to do what happens after that. So if a laser and in my case, if a laser and the enemy ship comes in contact with each other, the enemy ship and the laser both get destroyed. If my ship and the enemy ship comes in contact with each other, the enemy ship gets destroyed, but my ship loses some of its life. So the whole a lot of game mechanics revolve around collision. So it's a very important thing to understand. So with that, I would like to start the game and show you how it works. As you can see, the main screen is telling me to press spacebar to start the game, and I use the spacebar to shoot the lasers, and the game is keeping track of the current high score and what my score is. Because both the current high score and the score is 0, it's basically whatever I score, it's the current high score. So it's 380, and after this, if like my enemy ship comes in contact with my ship, so collisions happen, and I lose ship lives. So as you can see, the game over screen is telling me I achieved a new high score, and my final score is 400. Press spacebar to retry. I'll retry, but this time I will try not to score anything. So my score is 30. Ships left is 10. So ships left is 7, 6, 4, and then 3, 1 ship lives left, and okay, so 0 ship lives left, and now it's game over. So no new high score, try again your final score, and then it's asking me to press spacebar and try again. So that was it for my final project. Thanks for everyone. Thanks David for teaching this course, and have a good day.